Alright, so we're getting the bus ready. This is our service truck, Gino's garage service truck. So we're getting ready to go head over to work on my buddy's bus. You hear that noise in the background, that's my air compressor. I'm trying a new video here. So that's the air compressor. So we're airing up the air suspension and all the air system ahead of time, and that never fails every time. That's the air dryer purging off down here. So we're pretty much aired up then. So what I have an air disconnect on here to isolate this. I do have a check valve already here anyways, but we'll turn this guy off. That air leaking is just a little bit from the purge valve. So then we're pretty much ready. So we got the air system aired up. Now we're just got to disconnect the electric. Try to keep this bus plugged in all the time. I'm just trying to put a bungee around this door to keep it from coming open. So we're inside the bus. The air conditioner, I have one of the air conditioners running, so I'm going to turn that off. These are the switches for the air conditioners right here. So I'm going to turn that air off so then we can disconnect the power and we'll get the generator started and get on the generator power. I'm trying this new view, so I've got to get used to holding the camera out here where you can see my face. I don't know if you can hear over there. So I got the generator running up front, and then we got the engine going. I'm just going to go around, make sure we got everything ready to go. We're getting used to running with this camera. Check the oil. Walk around, make sure everything looks good. The fence falling down. Alright, we're removing all the exhaust parts. We got a new turbo to put on this engine. So this turbo's been leaking oil. See light in there, but yeah, you can kind of see the oil back in there coming off of that turbo. So we're going to replace this turbo. Plastic. Get some bolts. You're gonna get what? So we got to get in here and get the oil line. So these have just a top oil feed line. So you can see it right there. I'll try to get the light on it. Yeah, this guy here. So that's the top oil feed line. So I'm going to go around the back and try to get that loose. That wrench again. All right, so the turbo oil feed line comes off the top of the turbo up here. You see it moving around. It runs down along the other side of the water pump here and then goes back over right down there. There's a really good light on there. So we're going to try to pull that guy out of there. I don't know if I can get my hand in here and phone focus on this thing. Oh. There's half of the turbo. Alright, so we got the, there's a new O-ring that goes on the base here of the turbo. And I've separated the exhaust housing to reduce the weight and so you can get it up in here, because there's not quite enough room to get it up and over this stand all together. So now we're going to get the turbo and set it up in here. Alright, watch them blades. Set it down. Come on. Get in there. Get in there carefully. Give me that rubber hammer, please. There it goes. Now bolt almost feels like it's bent. Give me the 1/2-inch drive socket with the 5/8 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Is that thing on there good?
This
just needs to come down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the 5/8?
Yes. I'm going to go ahead and put this oil line on here while it's easy enough to get to. I need a 5/8 wrench. I wish I had flipped this damn thing over. Is there a small nut over there? Oh shit. I hope there's enough room in here to get this stuff. Sauce. All right. I need that. Yeah, housing and those bolts.
That's an 8.
This is going to be fun. Move that thing around. slides in and out.